Did you know that Brookfield, one of the world's biggest fund managers, is expanding its interests in the Middle East with a focus on residential real estate? This move signifies a major shift in investment strategies, marking a new era for real estate development in the region. Welcome to the Multifamily Real Estate Insights podcast. I'm your host, Sandy MacKay. Let's get right to it. In a significant development, Brookfield has announced a joint venture with Abu Dhabi's Lunate to invest $1 billion in residential projects across the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia. The partnership aims to develop high-quality build-to-sell and opportunistic buy-to-sell residential assets, capitalizing on the growing demand for premium properties in the region. This venture is not Brookfield's first foray into the Gulf's real estate market. Previously, Brookfield acquired a majority stake in the commercial real estate platform operated by Gulf Islamic Investments. Now, with this new focus on residential real estate, the company is poised to tap into the rising population and the increasing allure of premium properties in the Middle East. The joint venture will establish its own dedicated team to develop and manage these assets, demonstrating the region's appeal as an emerging investment destination. The United Arab Emirates, in particular, has been recognized as a top location for wealthy migrants in 2024, reflecting its attractiveness for real estate investments. Jadalon, managing partner and regional head at Brookfield, expressed optimism about the venture, highlighting the combination of private equity operating expertise with global real estate development and management experience. This strategic expansion is set to deliver best-in-class assets that cater to the demand for high-quality residential properties. Abu Dhabi-based Lunate, holding over $110 billion in assets, is a powerhouse in the region, further solidifying the joint venture's potential success. As the Middle East continues to draw global interest, partnerships like this underscore the region's growing significance in the global real estate market. Now let's shift our focus to an interesting development in the town of Normal, Illinois, where multifamily housing plans have been met with significant public disapproval. This story comes to us from a report by Brianna Rittman on WMBD News. On Monday, the Normal Town Council held a lengthy meeting where 6 agenda items were dedicated to new multifamily housing developments. 3 of these items focused on the Carden Springs planned unit development located at the northwest corner of Tawanda Avenue and Beach Street. Another 3 items involved the rezoning of property in the northeast corner of Beach Street and Shelbourne Drive, known as the Collie Ridge subdivision. The public's reaction was quite vocal, with a 45-minute public comment session dominated by expressions of disapproval. Residents, including a young child, shared their concerns about developer Young America's plans for multifamily developments near their single-family homes. Despite the uproar, all 6 items were unanimously approved by the city council members, with council member Kathleen Lorenz notably absent from the meeting. Mayor Chris Coos addressed the concerns, stating, "And that is what our job is, to hold the developer to lower standards to make sure we get the right mix and the right project. I believe this is the right project." This statement underscores the council's belief in the potential benefits of these developments, despite public opposition. In addition to approving the multifamily housing plans, the council also unanimously supported a resolution for Connect Transit's sale of 104 East Oakland Avenue to Home Sweet Home Ministries. This sale is intended for a non-congregate shelter project, highlighting the council's commitment to addressing housing needs in various forms. It's clear that the development of multifamily housing remains a contentious issue with strong opinions on both sides. However, the council's decision reflects a push towards accommodating growing housing demands while balancing community concerns. As we continue to see shifts in housing trends, it's important to recognize the challenges and opportunities they present. Thank you for listening to the Multifamily Real Estate Insights podcast. I'm your host, Sandy MacKay. See you on the next one.